The starter level verification is the quickest and easiest to complete. In just 2 minutes, you can prove your identity and start making payments. To do this, you'll need to provide an ID documentation and take a selfie of you. Now, accepted ID documents are passports or ID cards. Please note that driving licenses are not valid documentation for the verification purposes. Now, you can start the verification process on your desktop and continue easily on your mobile device just by scanning the QR code. Now let's go through this step by step. So as you're on the sign up screen, you'll just enter your email address and the desired password. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service and then hit sign up. Once you do that, you'll receive an email in your inbox with the verification code that you can easily copy and paste into the 6-digit box. Once you've done that, you've now signed up and made your account, and now you can go onto your account and click Get Verified at the top. So starting with the basics, you'll enter your phone number, your address of residency, your birth country, and your citizenship country. Then hit Continue. Once you've done that and click Continue, now you get to choose which verification level you would want to do. Depending on your region, note that you may have to do the full KYC immediately. But first, let's begin with the starter level verification. Before you begin the process of verification, make sure that you have your ID near you, that you're in a well-lit area to be able to take photos of your document and a selfie of yourself. And once you're ready, you can click Start Verification. Now, if you're still in the desktop version, you can either scan a QR code to continue on your mobile device or choose to be sent an SMS to continue the process. And now that you get into the verification process, you open the link and you'll be guided to take first photos of the back and front of your document and then a selfie of yourself. Once you complete this step, your information will be sent to our team to be processed and you can close this window. As you close the window and come back to the Swapin app, in under 2 minutes you'll already see a message saying you're now verified and you can start to make payments to yourself. And that was easy and fast. You've now completed the starter level verification.